These 4-ingredient peanut butter oatmeal cookies are soft, nutty, and ridiculously easy to make. Just mix and bake for a yummy batch of warm, homemade cookies. To make these delicious peanut butter oatmeal cookies, start by adding 1 cup or 256 grams of smooth peanut butter to a large mixing bowl. If your peanut butter feels too firm and stiff to work with easily, warm it in the microwave for about 10 seconds so it softens slightly without becoming hot or runny. This really helps make the peanut butter much smoother and easier to handle, as you can see here. Next, add half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar to the peanut butter. Then mix the two together until the sugar is fully worked in and the mixture becomes smooth, thick, and evenly combined. Regular white sugar will also work, but brown sugar helps the cookies stay softer and gives them a deeper, slightly caramel-like flavor. Next, add 1 cup or 90 grams of old-fashioned rolled oats. Then fold and press them into the peanut butter mixture until everything comes together into a thick cookie dough and you no longer see any loose oats at the bottom of the bowl. Quick oats will also work, but they absorb the mixture a little differently and will give the cookies a softer texture with less chew. Next, add 1/3 cup or about 50 grams of raisins and gently fold them into the dough until they are spread evenly, so you get a little burst of sweetness in almost every bite. Dried cranberries work just as well if you prefer something slightly tangy, or you can swap them for semi-sweet chocolate chips when you are in more of a chocolate mood. Next, take a cookie sheet and cover it with parchment paper. Then scoop out about 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie, which should give you around 11 or 12 cookies by the time all the dough is used. Roll each scoop gently between your hands until it looks smooth and round. Then place it on the sheet and leave a little space between each cookie so they have enough room to bake evenly. While I'm rolling the cookie dough, take a moment to hit the like button and follow my channel for more easy homemade cookie recipes, simple baking ideas, and plenty of other delicious treats you can make without making things complicated. Use the bottom of a cup or the back of a spoon to gently press each ball of dough down until it has a flatter, more even cookie shape. This dough does not spread very much in the oven, so the shape you make now will stay fairly similar while the cookies bake. Press them a little thinner if you like crispier cookies, or leave them slightly thicker if you prefer a softer center. Bake these peanut butter oatmeal cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes until your kitchen smells absolutely amazing and the cookies look lightly set around the edges. Take them out closer to 10 minutes if you like them softer, or leave them for another minute or two if you prefer a crispier cookie. But keep an eye on them because they can brown quickly. Once they are done, leave them on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes, as they will still be soft at first and will firm up more as they cool. These cookies have that cozy peanut butter taste you notice right away, with little chewy bits of oats and sweet raisins in every bite. They are soft through the middle, a little crisp around the outside, and not overly sweet, so it is very easy to reach for another one before you have even finished the first. If you love simple homemade cookies like these, give the video a like and subscribe for more easy recipes. And before you go, take a look at the other cookie recipes on my channel because there are plenty more yummy ones to try. I'll see you in the next video.